Okay, so basically, I pulled these two stumps out of the firewood pile like a year ago, and I don't know why. I didn't have any idea what I was going to do with them. But then pretty recently I saw a picture on Instagram, or Pinterest maybe, of stump kind of similar to these with maybe a bigger hollow in the middle, and it was filled with wax and there was a candle. And I thought that was pretty cool. So I said I'd give that a go, and these kind of fit the bill. They're pretty useless for anything else. I've never made a candle. How hard can it be? No idea what I'm going to do, but thought maybe I'd cut them in half and get 2 candles out of each. Let's give that a go, see how that works. No, I didn't like that at all. Bad call. We'll do it by hand. Right, so now that I have the perimeter of the candle all cut out and dealt with, my next job is to deal with these large gaps. I mean, now obviously if I were to pour wax in this as it was, it wouldn't stay in there, it would just cause a horrendous mess. So I'm going to have to come up with some solution just to bridge that gap and make a sealed unit for the wax to pool into. So I'm gonna play around and experiment with a few shapes. I have already attempted this one. It's just a solid straight piece of walnut. It should work, and now that I know that will work, I'm gonna try maybe some bow ties. I like the look, so I'll try that on the other one and we'll see how it turns out. these candle holders are really starting to take shape now. I have all the breaks in the perimeter sealed off. That just has a nice walnut spline in it. The next job now is to put a base in each one of these. So I'm just going to drop it onto a piece of plywood, trace around it, cut it out slightly bigger, and then that way I can route a groove into the bottom, glue it down so it'll be flush, and then it's just a bit of sanding and these are ready for wax. Dusty business. Anyway, the next job is to glue in the base. Then I'm gonna sand the outside, just get it smooth, ready for finish. Probably gonna wax it, and then this is gonna go inside, and we're gonna fill it with wax for the candle. Right, I'll see you inside. Yeah, these weird hello dog. Hello. Yeah, cat. Yeah, these weird candle holders. Yeah, so the candle holders are. Wait. Yeah, so the candle holders are starting to